I got a present, and I specifically brought it to my mom and dad's because my mom's going to freak out when I show her what I just got. Now I got to figure out how to open this bad boy. But first, look how gorgina she is. Energy drinks. Y'all know I'm not a huge, my mom's over here, she's like dancing. She's an energy drink girly. I'm not a huge energy drink girly, honestly, but my mother is. So I was like, I gotta go surprise my mom. She loves Bloom and she loves energy drinks. So look what I got. Okay, let's see what we have. We have peach mango, raspberry lemon, cherry lime, strawberry watermelon. Ooh, that sounds good. My mom's over there freaking out. You wanna try them? Yeah. Okay, I'll try them too. I'm not an energy drink girly. Y'all know I usually like do decaf, but you know, we're gonna try it out. I think we're gonna get them all on camera. Oh my gosh. Wait, these are sold at Target now. It's Target if you're not in the know. So I just saw them on shelf the other day, but mom had not noticed them yet, so I had to surprise her. Okay, guys, this is my gorgeous mother. Okay, so we're gonna start with strawberry watermelon. I think that or cherry lime. She's excited she can't contain herself over here. I think this one, cherry lime, is gonna be my favorite. So cheers. Oh, there we go. Probably would be better cold, but you know. Paper straws.
I'll let you have the pink since you're the pinky girl.
That's okay. You take the pink. I'm gonna. I can't be serious. I'm like Lady and the Tramp in it.
That's good.
Oh, that's really good.
That's real good.
That's real good. Yeah, I like that.
Which one was that?
This one's strawberry watermelon. Mm-hmm. Okay, cherry lime.
You're probably gonna like this one.
Yeah, probably.
I'll let you go first.
Go ahead. We'll Lady and the Tramp it again. Oh, that's good. I think I still like that strawberry watermelon though. That's still the leading contender. That's good.
That one's like real subtle.
Yeah. Raspberry lemon. With straws. Paper straws were not it. Okay. All right. This one is raspberry lemonade.
Go first.
Okay. That's good. You're not a huge lemon fan,
I'm not a lemon fan.
So, peach mango. By the way, did I tell you they're sparkling energy drinks? That's why they're fizzing. They're sparkling.
I'm excited about this one. Oh, good.
I'm not a peach or mango fan, but it's good. If you like peach and mango, you're going to like it. So what do you think?
That's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, she's a peach and mango fan. Okay, so Mom, which one was your favorite? Watermelon.
Strawberry watermelon's number 1. Peach mango number 2. Cherry lime number 3. And I've got to go raspberry lemon number 4 because I don't like a lemon.
Okay, so for me, it was exactly how I opened them. Strawberry watermelon was 1. Cherry lime 2, raspberry lemon 3, and then the peach mango 4. Exactly how he opened it. But that strawberry watermelon, that is my favorite. You can have the peach mango. Go for it.
It's good. I liked it.
These are really good. If you're looking for a natural energy drink, give these a try.
Cold would be amazing.
Agreed.